I really enjoyed talking to Scott. I found it very good how he was down to earth and very humble and human. Like in this situation, you can be very bureaucratic and very cold and very distant, but he was very like wanted to know about me. So he was very like he showed interest in the person on the other side of the screen. Even the first questions you guys asked us about, okay, what do you want to talk about? Where does your business need help? Like that was already a wake up call. What's actually not working? Which we thought we asked ourselves every day, but we don't really. We may ask it, but we don't really dig deep. We've been through a roller coaster because, like I said, there was nothing, there was no structure within the business. We hit a period of downturn. So we had no leads coming in, we had no requests for quotes and inquiries coming in. So the win is a clearer picture and better vision. So understanding what doesn't work now sort of clears up what's ahead and where we want to go and where we want to head to. Technically, we're really good. Technically, we know what we're doing. We think we know, but we feel secure from that point of view. What we've really lacked was the business side of things, like being really business owners, not just technicians. For me personally, is the awareness. I think looking inside ourselves, which means also looking within the business and understanding what doesn't work or what has not been working. For us, we thought that wasn't much, but the deeper we're going through your program and your workshops, the more things we find that need work. So for us, the biggest win so far is being aware, okay, we got a lot of work to do from a business point of view. The thing is we were stuck. We had to do something and it's been really good so far. So I suggest anyone, recommend anyone to do it.